Hey, I'm Joe.
And I'm Tammy.
And boy, we found a sweet spot in Tennessee, Mountain Glen RV Park, located right in the middle of Amish country. It was a pleasant drive on our way to Mountain Glen RV Park, seeing all the beautiful fall colors, and we quickly realized we were also in Amish country. Here we have one of the tent sites that's available on the side of the pond, and you can see that it's on the other side of the campground. And there is no other campsites over here, so you'd have this whole area to yourself. Very nice glamping tent, which overlooks that pond, the fishing pond. And you also have where the office and store is. This is where you check in, and the store is very nice. Get your supplies, ice, firewood, and other things you may have forgotten at home. And right here on the end of the building is a game room, and the game room is open 24 hours a day. It also has a very nice small swing set for the little ones, horseshoe pit, beautiful colors of the trees changing. All the sites are 30, 50 amp electric. You got water, full sewer hookup, and you have Wi-Fi here. Here's a map of the campground. There is 42 campsites to choose from. There are 8 tent sites to choose from, and 1 glamping tent. Has restrooms, showers, open 24 hours a day. There's a dump station on top of it, a cornhole, playground, game room, phone. There's a phone here that you can use as well. So this is our site number 29. We were lucky enough to have only one of 2 that was available on the fly, and this is the first time we ever had to schedule a campsite without a reservation or trying to find a place to stay for the night without notice. Nice little site. Not much of a living space on the living side, but it's all on the reverse side. As you can see, we are on the end of this row, so our living space is on this side. Picnic table, fire ring, water, electric, sewer hookup, and Wi-Fi. And what's really nice is the Wi-Fi extender is right here on our site, so our signal was crystal clear, no problems. So, extremely grateful that we found a spot, because we are a long way from home, and I know there's a lot of viewers out there that come across issues like this too, trying to find places, and especially when there's seasons that are busy, such as the fall time for the fall color changes, and you can run into some issues of trying to find some places, but you just keep digging and you find something. So we're extremely grateful. We only did one night here, and we're packing up to continue our trip of our scheduled camping trip. Just a quick reminder, if you get yourself into a pinch at Falls Creek Falls State Park, give Mountain Glen a call. They'll have accommodations to fit your rig. And we'll put a link down below for all the contact information on this wonderful little park. Well, we sure enjoyed our time here, and we think you would too. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our video. You should consider subscribing to our channel. You'll never know, we may be guilty of adding to your bucket list. And as always, thanks for watching. Two for the road.